Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Cash App account has been closed. So guys, if you're facing this problem here, I will show you how can you fix it. So as you can see why your Cash App account has been closed, the reason will be under this warning. So as here you can see this happened because there was gambling or other activity on your account that goes against our terms of service. You cannot access most features of the app, but you will still be able to withdraw your money. Please sell any stocks or Bitcoin. So guys, here you can see this. You have violated the policy of your Cash App and your account has been closed. So as if you want to fix this, simply go back to your home screen and now open your browser, and from here search for support.cashapp. Here it is, and now tap on Cash App Support, and from here scroll it below, tap on Contact Support, again scroll it below, and from here you have to simply call on this number to get help from the Cash App authorities. So as you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and you have to request the Cash App authorities to fix this problem for you, and they will try to fix this problem you within 24 hours, and after this your account will be opened again. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.